Hey guys, it's Lex1234, and today is kind of like the catch-up thing of everything that's happened. So let's first do the daily spin. I have 7 diamonds. Okay, so let's go into a more appropriate setting. My lovely hideout. You cannot see me. I am the great hider. Wahahaha. Storming the fortress. Mira's feather has been found and the Phantom's march has been slowed. Oh my gosh! This is a new adventure! Yes! I'm so excited. They've been, adding so many more adventures. Now it's time to stop the Phantom Fortress once and for all. He. I'll probably do a gameplay of this. If it doesn't get too long. So expect that. 1,000 animals! As many of you know, members are what keep the Animal Jam going. They make it possible for millions of jammers from all over the world to explore and play in the awesome world of Jamaa. As a way of saying thank you, now members can make it up to 1,000 different animals. Couldn't you do I don't know, 200? 1,000 is a bit much. Comment down below if you think that's a bit much. Speaking of comments, you guys have not been commenting, and it's kind of frustrating because I do giveaways and no one says anything, or they comment but they don't use their username. Just I don't mind giving stuff away, but you gotta comment down below. You know what I mean? Okay, let's continue on. Visit Bihara Bargains in Sunken Treasure to check out the brand new Ocean Diamond Shop. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Filled with new ocean items and accessories. Horses are back. Horses have returned to Jamaa, become one of these incredible animals today. And don't miss the awesome horses only party. My sister said that she was excited about the horses because she loves them. And you at the horse only party, you can get the elf bracelets. I believe that a party has. What's on my chat? Pet piglets. Pet piglets have returned to Jamaa. Adopt one of these super cute pets today. I have that, but I'll show you guys. The old barn is the perfect den for jammers who want to have their own home on the range. Oh, this is one of my favorite dens. I never got it though. Pet giraffes are now available for all jammers. Oh my gosh, I love this update so much. That is so nice. Thank you. Because sometimes I feel like they're not fair with non-members, but now they actually are. Because people are just oh, they don't care about non-members. Well, they really do. Because just giving them another pet shows that they do care. Now everyone in Jamaa can adopt one of these adorable pets. Yes, they are adorable. Masterpieces. Because masterpieces can now be hung in both land and ocean dens, you can showcase your favorite art in any den. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. News from the alphas. We had just received some exciting news from the alphas. They feel that they come close to discovering a heartstone of a new animal. While they were searching for a heartstone, they found an interesting stone that they might think be a clue about what type of animal it is. What do you think, Jammers? Does the stone make any sense to you? What could it mean? Doesn't it kind of look backwards? Okay, let me just wait for a minute. Or it could be CANIDAE. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And yes, I say that a lot. Every year, some of the brightest young minds in America compete in National Geographic B. Geographic B like no other. In honor of the GOB, you can visit the Temple of Trivia and test your knowledge of the world around you with special questions. Deluxe Stationery Set. The new Deluxe Stationery Set comes with a full Animal Jam notebook, pencils, stickers, and more. That'd be good for like next year starting, or like for school. This awesome stationery set is available at Amazon.com in a select John and Fabric and craft stores, and is perfect for jammers who love drawing, writing, jotting, scribbling, and doodling. That's a mouthful. So, let's go to underwater dimension. There's two. Wow! Look at all these people. Wow again. That's so cute. Okay, I totally have to get that. Who is that? Ooh, the spikes are really cool. Before I get anything, it sees that there was another one. So, let me check there. Oh, so this is for the dens. I know where I'm gonna spend all my diamonds now. Yeah, but first I have to go an ocean den. I really like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back and get the two spikes. Because everybody loves spikes. No. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. But one last thing. So, in one update last weekend, here is all the clouds that we got. So, there. My favorite would have to be the tropical storm cloud. Well, that's it for this video. Bye.